Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well out there. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to adjust the units being displayed on your Casio Pro Trek watch, PAG240 module 3246. So this watch is a multi-sensor watch. You can see temperature, barometric pressure, and altitude, and you can also adjust the way those items are being displayed to you. I'm going to show you an example real quick. Let's take a temperature reading. We're going to do that by pressing the barometer button. And you'll notice it's doing the reading, but it's displaying the information. Right now my temperature is 19.7 degrees Celsius and my barometric pressure is 1020 hectopascals, which is great. But let's say you're sitting at home and you're saying, man, I'd really like to see my temperature in Fahrenheit versus Celsius. Or instead of hectopascals, I'd rather see inches of mercury. We can adjust those settings. And I'm going to show you that now. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get out of your sensor modes and go back to your main timekeeping screen. And we're going to do that by pressing the mode button several times until you're back at your timekeeping screen. Anytime you're doing any kind of changes to settings, you always want to be on the timekeeping screen. Once we're there, all we're going to do is we're going to press and hold the adjust button. And we'll notice that our city code starts blinking, which tells us we're in the settings mode. Now, the one thing I'll say about this is you can set your units being displayed to anything you want, unless your city code is Tokyo. If your city code is Tokyo, your altitude is always going to be meters, your barometric pressure is always going to be hectopascals, and your temperature always has to be Celsius. I'm not real sure why, but that's just how it is. In my case, Chicago or any other city code, you can set it to however you want. So once your city code's blinking, all we're going to do is we're going to press the mode button several times, and it's going to take us through the different setting options. And we're just going to keep going, keep pressing mode until we get to the screen that says unit. And you'll notice over here on the right hand side, your different units are being displayed as far as how you see your information. The top one is going to be your temperature. Mine's currently on Celsius. The middle one's going to be your barometric pressure, currently on hectopascals. And then the bottom one is going to be your altimeter. My altitude is currently being displayed in feet. So if you want to change any of them, you're just going to use the buttons on the side here. The top one, the compass, is going to adjust your Celsius Fahrenheit. Your barometer is going to adjust the hectopascals to inches of mercury. And then your altimeter is going to adjust between feet or meters. So in my case, I'm going to press compass because I want to adjust to Fahrenheit. You'll notice up here now instead of Celsius, it's showing Fahrenheit. Hectopascals, if I want to adjust hectopascals, I'm going to press the barometer button. And if I want to change the altitude, I'm going to change it from feet to meters. Once you've got it set the way you want to, all you're going to do is press the adjust button twice, and that'll take you out of the settings mode, and you're back to your regular timekeeping. So let's see if it worked. I'm going to press barometer, take a temperature reading now. You'll notice now, instead of Celsius, it's in Fahrenheit, 68 degrees Fahrenheit.